So you guys know how I'm really not a numbers person. Okay. I like things very simple. I give you like 2 rules for nutrition that if you want to, you could break them down indefinitely into 4 million rules. Alright? And in my opinion, that's what fad diets do. Anything with a name on it. They're just telling you what you already know, just in colorful language. Like, what do we already know humans are supposed to do? How do we, what's our, because you feed what? You feed an iguana, you get iguana from a pet shop. What are you going to feed it? Snickers? Ice cream? What are you going to feed it?
Veggies.
Veggies, crickets, whatever the freaking pet shop guy told you to feed it. And that's all you're going to feed it. You're not going to see, let's see if it'll live if I give it beer. Okay? You're going to kill it. Like, feed a dog owner, feed its dog, somebody else's dog, chocolate, and see if they don't burn your house down. Okay? So, humans are no different. And the magic to all these fad diets is they're doing the same thing. And one of the first things I learned way back in the day was this ratio here. Feed a 3-2-1 ratio of grams. Like, you'll be healthy. You'll be lean, you'll thrive. Fat. Okay, so if we put Jeremy on 2,500 calorie diet, okay, we can factor all this. There's 9 calories in a gram of fat. We just multiply 4 here, 4 here. Okay, and his average meal is going to be 30 grams of protein, 15 grams of fat, 45 grams of carbs. Okay, multiply it by these numbers. Okay, multiply it by 4 to 6, or divide that into 2,500. I can tell you how many meals a day you're gonna eat. Boom, I'm a freaking nutrition genius. I just gave you some cool calories and macros to follow that you could have done on your own. You just go to WebMD, type in your height and weight, and then you get your theoretical caloric burn for the day, which is never accurate. You can go to 400 different calculators. They give you 400 different numbers. Which one are you going to use? The one you like? All right, so that's an argument on caloric deficits. The takeaway behind all this is if they all work, all these fad diets and all their numbers, they all work, that means they're doing one thing. Doing one thing really well. Because what does not fit into this ratio? If you're anywhere near this ratio, anywhere near this number, what are you doing? You're doing one thing really well. What is it? It doesn't matter if you're on the RP diet, the zone diet, the paleo diet, Weight Watchers. It doesn't freaking matter. They're all doing this, getting you to do the same thing without you realizing it so they can take more money from you.
You're restricting the total calories.
No. They don't give a shit about numbers. They're getting you to do one thing. Come on, guys. There's no room for Snickers here. If you throw a Snickers down the chute, this ratio goes out the window. It's completely lopsided, blown away. This goes out the window. What they did is gave you some numbers to follow so that you couldn't eat junk food. You removed junk food from your life and you thought it was all because of these magic numbers somebody gave you, when all the nutritionists had to tell you was just stop eating junk food. That's it. But can they charge you for that? Can they charge you for that? Try it. Go a month with just meats and veggies. Don't count any freaking numbers. Like the challenge we did, gave you the plates with the spaces in them. We had people dropping weight like that. 7 pounds here, 11 pounds there in 1 month. No number counting whatsoever. If you eat what you're supposed to eat, like you would feed your iguana, your body will do its thing. If you eat plants and animals, your body will do its thing. You don't have to follow any crazy numbers. Does that make sense? Any questions on that? No rebellions? You guys gonna try to kill me?